Hello there. We keep looking for manners to reduce waste in our PPAP process. Today, we will talk about the third waste, waiting. Waiting for anything is waste. Could be waiting for information, waiting for someone's approval, waiting for someone to take a decision, etc. Fortunately, this type of waste is easy to tackle either in the manufacturing or the PPAP environments. Transferring this concept to the PPAP realm, we find 3 points where wait is present. Delays in reviewing PPAP until the PPAP is complete, excessive PPAP approvals, and delays due to a lack of visual management system. On the first point, we often wait until the whole PPAP is completed before we start reviewing it. If we do this, we create a bottleneck that will slow down the PPAP approval. Also, we are not allowing some cushion time for clarification or corrections during the PPAP process. Two lean manufacturing concepts that are related to this point are level loading and one-piece flow. You can avoid this by reaching an agreement with your suppliers, allowing them to submit the PPAP documents as soon as they are completed. The second point refers to excessive approval. Some organizations have multiple approvers for the same PPAP. While there is a logic behind this, we recommend you not to abuse of this practice. In our experience, multiple approvers for the same PPAP will only create delays on the PPAP approval pointlessly. The third point, the lack of visual KPIs or dashboards that highlight the process bottlenecks will keep you from taking timely corrective actions. A system that helps you manage PPAPs will be of great help for this point. Remember, waste is the enemy. We invite you to keep looking for ways to reduce waste on your PPAP process. We hope that you find this video useful. Please feel free to share it with your colleagues. If you want to know more about PPAPs, we invite you to follow us on LinkedIn or send us an email. Thank you.